Yo, do you hear me good, chat? Hello. Hello. That is good. All right, let me send out the link. I was fixing the camera quality. I'm not sure if it got fixed at all, but we are good now. It should be a little bit less laggy. All right, let's send this Discord link out. I mean the YouTube link. Alrighty, boys. All right. So, very important. 10 minutes from now, we will get our new 4-hour candlestick. Daily is what has me a little bit scared of being on the bullish side, right? I mean, we clearly see that we have ascending levels of support. Yeah, this candlestick looks like it's about to go bearish, but it's very early into the session. This thing can do whatever it wants. So, we're going to still keep our, got to be very careful. 4-hour candlestick is about to close. It is actually about to close at this level of support right here. Accumulation level of support. I mean, could there be a huge bounce? Yes. Do I think that there's going to be a bounce and we're not going to break that low at least once? Absolutely not. I think that even if this is bullish and we end up flying within the next few candlesticks, we at least will, come down and trade beneath here at least for a second, if it's at least that. I'm really excited to try to catch a sell with the new 4-hour candlestick that's about to open, because it's in 8 minutes, and if you guys see, we have 1 bearish candlestick on the 4-hour, 2 bearish candlesticks on the 4-hour. If we catch it at this level of support, makes a little top wick, and then we catch it bearish, it would be the 3rd bearish candlestick. 3 bearish soldiers, 3 bullish soldiers here, 1 2 3, 3 bearish soldiers, 1 2 3. Yeah, so I'm kind of on the sell side right now on GJ. Not surprising. I've been selling for a while now. As you guys can see, the track record is just a whole bunch of sells. Sells and sells and sells. What it do, Lio? What it do, Anas? What it do, Slick? Who else we got here in the chat? Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream. Is the camera lag any different? I feel like the camera lag should be a little different. I dropped my bit rate and I dropped my, I don't know. Project Emmanuel, yes to what? Yes, you are looking at GJ and you also are bearish. Yes, I mean this right here, when I'm going to the 15-minute time frame, if I zoom into the 15-minute time frame, I mean, if I was just looking at this market structure that's right here, 15-minute, I'm thinking that this needs to keep on going bullish, right? Why? This is like a mini ripple fib. We have 1 level of resistance, but that 1 level of resistance is sharing the same ascending levels of support. Support's getting higher and higher. So price is basically accumulating itself in this little corner right here, getting ready to just pop. Yeah, that is a ripple fib on the 15-minute when it comes down to gold. Obviously, down channel, side channel, now potentially up channel is going to start. It's one way to look at it. Other people might say, hey, there's I see the impulse correction in Fibonacci longs. Yes, as well. Impulse, the correction phase 0764, boom, 0618, boom. So it's like there's different ways to look at this market, different ways to identify the candlestick structures. At the end of the day, it's only up or down, boys. What about DJ? What does that mean? You mean GJ or DJ? Good morning, Mo. GJ, sell. I like the sells also, Mo. That boy already on the grind. Yesterday I was up at 3 o'clock in the morning till like fucking, I don't know, it was a 4-hour stream. Today we woke up a little bit more later. We started waiting for everybody to join the stream. I gotta post the stream on my Instagram. Let me do that while we're waiting for the new 4-hour candlestick we got. Remove from home screen. Fuck no. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream, let me repeat to you again. Like it up. Eat it up. Mix it up. Boys, and the live stream has begun. We are on live, so don't miss out. We're gonna catch plenty of trades, minimum 2. See you there, boys. Peace. Been talking to myself. All right. I see short-term sells on US 30. Short-term sells on US 30 nonetheless. When we go to the daily candlestick chart, when we go to the weekly candlestick chart, we can clearly see that we are very bullish. Typically with US 30, we don't even get a lot of clean price action on the smaller time frames. So right now, smaller time frame wise, I wouldn't even tell you take a sell, take a buy. It really just comes down to the randomness of what the market has for us. Typically with US 30, it starts getting a lot cleaner once the 4-hour and the 1-hour candlesticks start closing, and you just start seeing it, get a lot more volatile and start heading towards the direction. But typically with these like smaller time frames, I mean, look at this, chat. This is absolutely redonkulous. Not something you really want to be trading on a 15-minute time frame. We get way more views in London. Yeah, typically. USD JPY. Monthly, real quick, just to see what we're up to. Faking out the bull run, potentially. Okay. Oh, but the weeklies were coming down aggressively. Honestly, beneath these levels of support, I would start aiming for sells. Beneath these levels of support right here, where we are right now, this is the 1-hour time frame, and I would start aiming for these lows. I think that there would be a good chance you'd be able to catch these lows. The problem is that on the higher time frames, being the daily candlestick, being the weekly candlestick chart, this could be a very strong bullish retracement. Like, as in, like, we could be still bullish, and all of these weekly bearish candlesticks could just be the retracement. You know, we could have like one strong weekly candlestick that just makes us fly. But it's hard to try to anticipate the end, like the bottom of a week. So I'd say if I was actively trying to catch a trade right now on USD JPY, just on basically this price action right here that we have in front of us, this. And damn, dude, I don't know really what I'd be taking up to the moment. I'd kind of stay away from it, truthfully. I'm trying to invent something in my head, but there's just really not much to invent. I'd want to tell you buy, obviously, because there's impulses. It's with momentum, supposedly. But at the end of the day, I don't like how these candlesticks are forming right now. Like, that 4-hour candlestick does not convince me that... I mean... Xander... Alright, new 4-hour candlestick. I'm going to go back to USD JPY. New 4-hour candlestick. Oh my god, I'm getting exactly what I wanted. This might be an easier trade than I thought. A lot easier trade than I thought. This is going to be an easy trade. Very easy trade. Alright, so we're at 193,200. Stop loss most likely at 193, let's say 600, 193, 600. We have not executed yet, by the way. But it's going to be a 40 pip stop loss. 40 pip stop loss. Where the fuck is my account? Did I open it? I did. It's right here. Load, you stupid computer. All right. Remember when I taught you guys, this was a couple days ago, I was explaining to you guys how most people, they take the charts way too literal. Like, for example, I mean, and I'm doing it right now. I'm aiming for a sell right now, which I'm taking it very literal. But I'm just pointing this out. So notice how this was a bearish candlestick, and we closed on top of the 8 SMA. Basically, SMC price action says that we closed on top of the SMA, bearish. We engulfed it. That means the next candlestick, higher probabilities that it should be bearish, right? Remember how I told you guys, typically when we actually engulf the 8 SMA, right? This should mean that we are selling. What I notice is that usually we get the opposite happens. We engulf the 8 SMA. Supposedly it's supposed to be now bearish, and out of nowhere it quickly recovers. Kind of like how it did here. Close on top of the 8 SMA. Look at that candlestick right there. Right. So it was like here We were bearish here. We didn't close underneath this 8 SMA right here. I'm outlining the 8 SMA to make it easier. We didn't close underneath it. Nonetheless, rejected. I'm getting confused. Well, not confused, just probably just confusing you guys. Let me not just confuse you guys. It's creating a right shoulder on the 4-hour time frame. I agree with you on that too. This is what Lio is looking at. He says this is a shoulder, head, shoulder. I mean, this could go down, it could go up, who knows. My question is that if I should take this from 200 to 600, 40 pip stop loss. Crazy that 40 pips right now on GJ is pretty small. Notice how 40 pips, like this looks like this candlestick could go halfway to our stop loss, and then by the next fucking candlestick, we're out of here. I'm not decided to take the execution yet though, chat. Still trying to see if we're liking the setup or not. I mean, it really just depends on how much bullish momentum is existent. Is creating that right shoulder 4-hour time frame. Now the question is, will this hold? Will this hold? Will this hold? Boys, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Boys, we got Champions League today, or that's tomorrow? Oh my god, a lot of bullish momentum. A lot of bullish momentum here also. Damn it. I'm about to get booty clapped. I'm pretty sure I already did get booty clapped. So then again, chat, for what I'm looking at right now is that this 4-hour candlestick just barely opened, right? This 4-hour candlestick has not made a bottom wick. This 4-hour candlestick was at a very strong level of support that, man, it was 4 hours, 8 hours of bearish price action. I mean, oh, we do have news. I mean, so we had the 9 o'clock news, that which was the 4-hour candlestick open, and we got red folder news in about 50 minutes. So, based off of what I'm looking at, I'm anticipating for this 4-hour candlestick to potentially come and break this low and start wick filling this. I don't think it's going to melt out all the way down to the bottom at that point. I mean, I don't know. I'm hoping for the best at that point, but I do have a strong feeling that we could start this wick fill, and that wick fill is already more than enough to be able to get to take profit and bag some money. So, with that being said, market conditions have been getting more volatile. I'll tell you that 100% that the market has been cooking up. How many likes to oil? What the damn, Lio. Market has been getting a lot more volatile. I mean, I know the first month of the year, which we're still in the first month of the year, but nonetheless, it has been, and last month of the year, end of the year, quarter 4, quarter 1 was very slow. Right now, quarter 1 is finally picking up. We're finally starting to see a lot more volatility in the market. I mean, candlesticks are getting much bigger. There's a lot more movement. Right now, there's a lot of consolidation, but even within the consolidation, even within the ranges that are existing inside the market, there is a lot of volatility. A lot of people confuse volatility for like, oh, the chart only went 40 pips. You know, we've only moved 40 pips in 12 hours. We've only moved 40 pips in 12 hours. We don't have volatility. Sometimes moving only 40 pips in 12 hours, let's imagine that what is in front of my screen right here, this whole thing right here is 40 pips. That's a bad idea to imagine it like that. But just because it is 40 pips, see, I'm confusing myself again. A lot of people confuse volatility for how much the candlesticks actually spread. For example, like we've been many times where it's been, let's say, we'll use this as an example. Now is that there's no good example here. Point is, a lot of times you can get a range, right? Let's say it's a range of, I don't know, 70 pips. There's 70 pips where price is going up, down, then it reaches the top of the range, stays at the top of the range, then it goes back down, then it goes up, then it goes down. All right, so just because we're in a range for 12 hours, imagine this was a 12-hour period, that doesn't mean we have low volatility. Volatility is not measured by how many pips is spread out through this whole little section here where we say, hey, this is 70 pips. Volatility is spread out by how much movement actually exists within each candlestick. You know, the movement, there could be, it's never going to happen, but there could be a fucking 10 pip range where each candlestick goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, 10 pips every fucking minute. Every minute, 10 pips for about an hour. And that is considered high volatility. Now, it's only moved 10 fucking pips. Nonetheless, there is high volatility. Just clearing out the, I don't know, misconception. So now candlesticks have been moving a lot bigger today's session, and we have been ranging. So that's why I was trying to do that. It's kind of like some sort of an example of what we've faced today. All right, being patient on taking this GJ sell has played out to be very smart. Being patient, you know, we were anticipating this 4-hour candlestick to kind of make a bottom wick and melt out. Nonetheless, now I'm starting to lose. Not 100%, but I'm starting to lose that perspective. Why is that? I see this new 4-hour candlestick that has a lot of life left in it, getting ready to start engulfing this candlestick. Once it engulfs this candlestick, I don't really care what happens after. It could go down, leave a huge wick, go up. After it engulfs this candlestick, price action tells us that we should be able to keep on continuing, maybe to this next previous high. So these are like the levels of, I mean, if you were in a buy right now, these are the target levels that you want to have, where you start taking profit, right? You'd want to take profit at one of these levels, and then if it goes back down and you want to risk some profits, maybe you could go smack it all the way back up and then start taking at this level. Point is, make sure you're taking at these important levels, because these are levels where price can reverse, right? I'm not saying that once it passes this, you're in the clear to go here. I'm saying more of this is a strong magnet zone, which price has a very strong chance of getting to. Just like down here is a strong magnet zone, right? Support and resistance, we also like looking at it as magnets, right? Support doesn't just bounce price up. Support also attracts price, right? What does that mean? This level of support right here, yes, we bounced off of it going up right now, but believe it or not, price is getting attracted to this level back here, just like price is getting attracted to this level up here. So support and resistance, they're both the same thing at the end of the day. They're just levels that attract price but could also repel price, and when price reaches that level, you know, it's up for grabs on what it does. I see my name, Mo, it's me, my brother, not Xander. Wait, it's creating, what is it? Mo, it's me, brother, not Xander. How many likes? GU a breakdown, please. Let's do it. All right, so it's clear that we are beneath an 8 SMA level, right? I've already told you guys that whenever we're beneath this 8 SMA level, this is usually where a lot of the fake outs happen. Let me try to find an example down here. This is a perfect example. We had very strong bullish candlesticks. Boom. We respected, this is the fake out I'm talking about, chat. Look, so here we respect the 8 SMA. On the way down here, we respected the 8 SMA. Boom, rejected. Again, we respected the 8 SMA, right? Right after we respected the 8 SMA, this candlestick literally passed through it. So it's like, all right, we respected and stayed above the 8 SMA here. Shouldn't we go bullish? No, because they wanted to fake us out. Everybody thinks it's going to go bullish. So what did it do? It went bearish. Boom, it went bearish. Now it engulfed this 8 SMA. The 8 SMA has been engulfed. Price action says we should go bearish. What did we do right after? Whoop, fly. But notice, before we flew, we respected the 8S. Actually, I don't consider that respecting. We engulfed it. We engulfed it. Next candlestick came, flew. It looks like we respected it. No, but we're on top of it. But notice how we respected it here, here, and then we just melt through it. And then we don't respect the 8 SMA, and then we come back. So notice how sometimes you don't have to be looking for the literal thing of what could happen. We understand as traders, if we engulf an 8 SMA, yes, price action most likely should be bearish. All depends on what time frame. All depends on what you're looking at. But at the end of the day, sometimes as a trader, I do look at the charts and go, hey, all right, so we're beneath the 8 SMA right now. This is a strong, perfect chance for there to be a recovery because everyone's going to go bearish. Therefore, if we start going bullish off of one random candlestick, we stop at the 8 SMA, next one opens, we're above the 8 SMA, back to being bullish. I'm not saying that that's what I think is going to happen right now, right? But that is one of the possibilities that I'm afraid of. This is a level right now that we have retraced to that 100% this candlestick could decide to just go up just like it could decide to go down. It's kind of a no man's land zone. Now, if I had to choose, damn, it would come down to this right here. It would come down to, do I think, is this a reversal wedge? It would all come down to, do I think, is this a reversal wedge that has 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, therefore goes bullish, comes back, retest, and then comes back up to the top of the market, which is right here. I'd have to ask myself, do I think that that is a retracement, bearish, is this a bearish wedge, which is a bullish retracement? New 4-hour candlestick. 4-hour candlestick, dude, notice how this thing opened all the way down here. Like it opened in no man's land. You'd think it was going to melt out. It's retracing. It's ranging. It's ranging, basically. Let's go look at the daily. Maybe the weekly and the daily helps us. Oh my god. It does. It does. Weekly respected the 8 SMA. Using the logic I just barely taught you guys, where sometimes the market's just trying to fake out people. Look, we respected here the 8 SMA. Or actually, we engulfed it. We engulfed it, now we're going back down. I'd love if we respected it. I'd be like, all right, now we're going to break through it. Man, if I had to take a trade on GU right now, I'd probably be waiting for it to get a little bit more bullish. So one of these levels here, if it doesn't break flying through this level, I'd start smacking it down. But there's a chance it flies at this level right here. This is an accumulation of resistance. So if price gets all the way up to here, potentially break through it. I need to go use the restroom, chat. Let's go throw this on GJ real quick. Let me use the restroom. Be right back. Mo Bamba. All right. Honestly, I've been in this position many times. On some gold buys from 2745. Oh, damn, boy. Oh, damn, boy. That boy up. Slick, what ended up happening with your live accounts? I saw that you passed another challenge. Was that the last challenge that they don't want to give you? What's the complete update that you have right now with your challenges? I honestly don't think sells right now. I was very bearish on GJ, but I mean, Jesus, it's so hard to sell against these type of trades. Like when price is literally just like climbing stairs. And then it's respecting this 8 SMA, but man, if this candlestick right now, this hourly, or well, the hourly had to close over. I mean, it's gonna close up there. Yeah, I'm bullish on GJ. I've right now slowly just switched my bias to being bullish on GJ. Dude, you gained weight. Making money doesn't mean you need to eat more. Man, I completely agree. I completely agree. I completely agree. Thank you for putting me on the spot, 212. I appreciate that. I love the internet. The internet got no chill, which is like my type of vibe. It is my type of vibe completely. The internet having no chill. Just everyone being able to speak their mind. Hey, bro, you look fucking fat. Stop eating so much at night. It's like, true that. Bro, I wonder what the first time was that I realized I would get fat streaming. I remember these were the old days. I wonder if anybody in the chat here remembers these days. This is when I would stream with Daniel Savage. When I was streaming with Daniel Savage, I remember, dude, I literally one day Daniel Savage, I remember I was just on stream smoking, and he was like, "Yo, Duncan," and I was like, "Yo," he was like, "Bro, you need to stop ordering so much DoorDash at night," because we'd always order food on live stream. And I was like, "What?" And he was like, "Boy, you look fat as fuck, boy." Da, 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 da. And I was like, "Dude, this guy's tripping. He's just, whatever." And then I go back and I look at the stream, and like I asked my friends, and I was like, "Bro, I look super fat." He was the first one. He just called, and I love that energy from Daniel, where he just calls it how he sees it. It's like he doesn't say things intentionally to hurt other people's feelings or to. He's just gonna call it how he sees it. It's just straight up, And I think that's so funny. Oh wow, look at that, Samuel. I do see your name a lot. I mean, I do see your name a lot. Not back and forth with conversation, but hey, bro, hope you're doing well. Samuel said, "I know I don't see my name a lot in the chat, but on God, I watch every stream and I learned a lot. I just passed phase 2 from your strat. Thank you." Oh, that's what I love hearing. That's what I love hearing. Good shit. It's okay, Sugar Plum. Bro, I'm gonna fucking watch. My next Instagram story is gonna be at the gym because of you guys now. That's what I needed. Some hard truth love. T12 is like, yeah, this guy's a fat fuck. That's hilarious. Mods ban him. Ban who? Where's Baras at? Her kiss is sweeter than... How's the music right now, chat? Is it very annoying having that music in the back? I still do, yes, sir. Damn, dude. Well, first, I'm glad that I didn't take the sells on GJ to begin with. Got the elevator music on. Mira, mira, wow. Dímelo. Todo bien de la vida. Damn, dude. Very glad I didn't take the sells on this GJ. I mean, GJ did give me bearish vibes, but this... Alright, like I was saying that this, this candlestick, this new 4-hour candlestick just completely changed our perspective on what we think is going to happen. We could keep it simple in terms of if we decide that price, I mean, we can let price do whatever it wants to do in this range, not take a buy or a sell. Once it reaches this level right here, I'd say I'm like 70% on the bullish side of we're going to go up to here. If we start melting out to this, I am almost 100% sure we're going to wick fill. Almost 100% sure we're going to wick fill. So, I mean, I'm going to wait for price to, leave this zone right here. We do also have red folder news coming for the dollar in about 30 minutes. So we have 30 minutes to figure out what the hell we're going to do. Either get ourselves in a position before that 30-minute candlestick closes, or we're going to have to wait for it to volatility to come, move our candlestick, and then from there we can hop in. Yeah, not an impossible GJ buy, just a very risky one, but those who did take buys, I mean, I'd expect you guys to probably keep on holding this trade, not to be closing profit. I mean, also, look at this. I just barely saw this. This is an accumulation of price at our level of resistance. I don't think that we're going to break downwards from here. I think that actually next candlestick is going to open and continue to the top side. How much do you charge for a 100K challenge? It's like $400. $400, $300, depends on the challenge. Depends on there's ones that are cheaper because of the parameters. Cargando el carro y aquí. Papi, así mismo, trabajando todos los días. Oh wow, this guy holding that gold buy is fucking on it. Gold's about to do one of its gold runs where it just won't stop and ever come back. Bro, I know that this kind of looks like a good sell setup. I don't think it's going to end up playing out. I think we're going bullish. Let's see. Let's erase everything from the chart. Jesus. All right, 30-minute candlestick is about to close in 2 minutes. 30-minute candlestick. Man, we're closing at this level of resistance right here. This new 30-minute candlestick is going to close at this level of resistance. I'm going to give you guys my prediction right now, what I think is going to happen with this next 30-minute candlestick. I think that this, in 1 minute, it's going to come up to this level of resistance right here. Next 30-minute candlestick might make a bottom wick, might not. But I do believe that the next 30-minute candlestick will wick fill these two wicks. Maybe open up somewhere around here and then just continue bullish. Kind of what's going to remind me of this gold. Candlestick gets bigger, candlestick gets bigger, bigger, bigger. I think GJ's about to do the same thing. Bigger, bigger, bigger. I think the next candlestick's gonna be even bigger. Which is crazy, because I was completely on the bear side before the candlestick started getting this big with that much momentum. Where can I text you? I can't join the Discord. You can message me on Instagram. IG. New 30-minute candlestick. Let's see what happens. Maybe making a bottom wick. Maybe. Boys, we have not executed a trade yet. I don't want you guys to see a freaking P&L on my screen and start fucking taking trades like a maniac. Chill. Chill. Jesus Christ. Smoking on that GJ pack. Not yet. Oh shit, I wasn't even looking and this thing started melting. Sheesh. Quick question, chat. We don't have Champions League today, right? There is no Champions League today. Champions League is tomorrow. Anybody want to answer that question for me? So I don't got to get distracted and go on my phone. Damn, dude, these charts really just want to bounce around. No Champions League. Damn it. Damn it. Bro, who would have thought you'd see Atletico at the top of the leaderboard, baby? Stop playing with the kid. Ooh. I'd love to see Atletico in a fucking... I think the last time we were in Champions League, we played game 1 against Real Madrid. If I'm not mistaken, we were up 2-0 or some shit. I'm pretty sure we go to Madrid, and Madrid had to win by 3 goals for them to be able to qualify and take us out of the Champions League. And Ronaldo just came, fucking scored a header. Ronaldo came, scored another bullshit ass, and then Ronaldo came and then scored a penalty. Like fucking just destroyed us. News in 10 minutes. For real? What news? Punjab is about to lose. This guy's already gambling. Alright, we're most likely going to keep our eyes on GJGU because gold is already out, completely out of the question. We're not trading fucking gold. Real quick, let's go look at the DXY. Looks like it might melt. Come with gap fill all this. Potentially, who knows? Let's go look at US30. If there's any charts that you guys want me to break down, make sure you guys tell me now or forever hold your peace. I mean, this looks bullish as balls. What the fuck is that? Someone's like throwing water at my window. Fucking, what the hell are they cleaning out there? German 40. Man, the whole world is bullish. We got Trump in office. Like, it just should be simple fucking things here. Look at this. The last German 40 trade I got. Banger. No, German 40 looks bullish. GJ. GJ just did a 360 though. Or 180. Good morning, pineapple. You're looking very good. You're looking nice. All right. Oh, this is like an upside down head and shoulders. Do I think that's actually going to play out? I have no idea. What do you guys think, chat? One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. If you guys are bullish on GJ, still think that GJ is a buy, type 1 in the chat. I want to see how many people are bullish on GJ. If you guys think GJ is bearish, type 2 in the chat. 2 is in the chat if you guys think that GJ is bearish. What a fake out, though. Huge fake out. And then if this is a fake out, then price is just fucking... I mean, I don't even know what to tell you guys. We gotta just wait for candlestick closures. Lio, you're bearish. Bark is... Alright, we got Just Max, bearish. Lio, bearish. Project Emmanuel, bearish. Bark is bullish, though. He says that, hey, this is still probably just another retracement. I'm pretty sure we're gonna bounce. Any more people? Sagar, bullish or bearish? Anas, bullish or bearish? Slig, bullish or bearish? Continuation candle? Ooh, as in like bullish continuation candle? 1 hour? Damn, we got the same amount of bullish and the same. We got 3 bullish, 3 bearish. That is absolutely not what I wanted. All right, we got 4 bullish, 3 bearish. Look at this daily candlestick, bruh. Damn, dude, are we back on the sell side? I told you guys that if we reach the level of support, I'm gonna be. If I told you if we break the level of support, that's just like. Oh, damn. Bullish above 192,400. Yeah, that's exactly what I had marked out. I had bullish above 192,400, and I did have bearish below. Damn! Oh no, that's 20 pips away. I was about to say. Four-hour wick fill? I mean, that's what I'm expecting. I'm right now back to being on the bearish side, which is a mind fuck already. Like, we could already clearly see that this chart is going crazy on us. We gotta just choose a valid setup. All right, we're gonna wait like 5 more minutes for this 15-minute candlestick to close. I really want to hop into a trade before news, because if we're on the correct side of the trade before news comes, I mean, the news is just going to help us get to take profit. So, I mean, I got 2 more 5-minute candlesticks, basically. This 5-minute candlestick closure, which is this one, and then a new 5-minute candlestick to be able to determine what we're going to do. So, it's just not a lot. Not a lot at all. Damn, boy, I still can't believe I got called fat on my stream. I already knew that I'm getting fat. Haven't hit the gym, bruh. What you guys don't know is that I'm a specimen of an athlete. Actually, I'm not. I used to be. I swear. When I was young, like if I wanted to get a little bit bulker, I'd be able to eat, go to the gym, blah, blah, boom, bulk up quickly. If I wanted to cut, I'd be able to just fucking cut off the carbs, straight protein diet, hella cardio, and I cut quickly. And then yeah, and then the years passed, and I honestly just don't know. I don't know how quick it is. How quick the body shape shifts. Post your gym photos, bro. Though, what if I sat? The first ones are gonna suck. Maybe when I got a really good one, then I could post the shitty ones to then just post the good one. Hey, yo, this guy Layo, he's still. Hey, bro. Let's see. Nah, chill. I'm not a mutt. I'm not some ugly mutt. I just got the dad bod going on. The dad bod is a bad one. All right, 4 minutes left for first this 5-minute candlestick. 4 minutes left for this 15-minute candlestick. If we would have been in our cells at 200 at 6, so I originally wanted to throw a trade at 200, stop loss at 600. Nah, we would be at break even. We've been. Nah, I still don't like it. Is Xander here by any chance? Xander boy. Or is there anybody here that could be a test, like a testament, could confirm to me that the camera looks a little bit less laggy than it did the last few streams? Like when I move around and shit. I kind of see it a little still laggy. But is it any better? Is it the same? Sheesh. It's still laggy. All right, so the settings are not coming from OBS. The settings are coming from my camera, which I expected. It's still lag. I know it's laggy when I move it. It used to not be like that. I'm gonna have to dabble around with the settings. Where is the director Xander? Would you take a little longer? All right, new 15-minute candlestick is coming in 1 minute, less than a minute. Well, 40 seconds. Damn! Stop melting on us like that. Chill. Chill, 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 chill. In the end, it's just right here. Oh my God. All right, fake out plus reset of my 50 SMA. When you move, my bad, chat. All right, new 15-minute candlestick opened, and it engulfed here. So the engulfment supposedly says that if we engulf, we should keep on going bearish. Let's see if it's a fake out. 30-minute candlestick has so much life in it, so much momentum in it. This 30-minute candlestick has 15 minutes left in its life. So it tells me, even if this candlestick were to come all the way up to this level and leave all this as a wick, even if it were to close like that, I would expect the next candlestick to come and close and wick fill it. So up to the moment, very hard for me to take buys right now. Very hard for me to take buys. They don't seem like an option. Is that the fake out? Is that the fake out? Because this candlestick could easily come all the way back up to resistance. If it comes all the way back up to resistance, then that should be the fucking go all in on the long, and that's it. Risky buys, very risky buys. And obviously taking a sell at this level with that much momentum in the candlestick is also risky. Like, where do I place my stop loss? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. If I show you guys something, I don't want you guys to get mad. Never shows you shit. Bathroom break real quick. Not even bathroom break. Hold up. Dude, look at that daily candlestick. At this point, it's so hard to say that this daily candlestick is not going to come and touch this 8 SMA. Nah, we don't need that right there. All right, which is interesting is that we're getting news in 12 minutes. And now, is that news just going to correct the fuck out of this whole move that we have? Wait, is DXY melting? What is the DXY doing? Fucking retracement. That means GJ should be going short. I mean, GU. No, GU's going bullish. Yo, Slick, are you still in GU cells? Slick blocker? Damn, dude. I wish I would have called out the trade. Weird that GJ's melting and GU isn't, especially if the DXY is not pumping. That 4-hour candlestick is a nut, bro. Do your thing, brother. All right, question. Does anybody still think that this is all a fake out? Check it. 4-hour fake out, and that this has a chance in still flying. Anybody still on the bullish side when it comes down to GJ? This is fine if you are. I'm just asking questions, chat. Just asking questions. All right, that is a new 5-minute candlestick. No, Anas, I didn't. What prop firm? We're talking about funding pips, right? Come on, GJ, do something. Do something, GJ. Who was the original person? I think that was Lyle, the original person who called out saying that this is a head and shoulders, that we were going to create the shoulder. Yeah. Honestly, I'm just waiting for the correct opportunity to be able to hop in the market, boys. There has. I'm not gonna say that there. I'm not gonna say that there hasn't been opportunities. There has been opportunities. Nothing. Why? My bad. There's been opportunities, boys. But there hasn't really been anything too clear where I'm like, all right, this is picture perfect, where there's no reason for us to not be in the trade. For every trade that there has been, whether it be a buy or a sell or a buy or a sell, anything that we could have, let's say could have, would have, should have, didn't take, I don't say that there is enough. I mean, there was confirmations, but I just don't think it was enough information for me to be actually fucking hopping into the trade. I really want something to happen with this news, though. Hopefully news really goes crazy on us. If news goes crazy on us, then we have a strong chance of being able to hop into a trade. News. Oh, there's double news. And then there's Asian session news, which is pretty good. It means that we're gonna have a lot of volatility today. All right, from our initial melt out of, damn dude, that was 60 pips. I mean, we've retraced 10 pips so far. New 5-minute candlestick is going to open any second right now. I mean, support level should be this right here. This is support. So honestly, what this could be is liquidity grab, and then it starts trading in this range. I have no idea. Let's see. I hope nobody's bullish right now, though. Like, I hope nobody's taking buys. If people are hopping into sells, it's fine. I like sells. We're at a strong level of support where I don't think that we're going to start bouncing bullish. If anything, I start thinking that we're going to, have a little bit of a candlestick, but we're going to end up wick filling everything that's beneath us, targeting, obviously, these lows. So if you are targeting these lows, obviously throwing a stop loss, decent, at least 30 pip stop loss. I like the trade. You know, I don't hate it. You guys could be taking sells, 30 pip stop losses. Especially with this wick that's being left. Very strong chance that we wick fill it.
Shorty, we can link like Zelda. That broke then you a million. Stack your money up like Tetris. I don't know what else to tell you. Over here, everybody got a gun. My life is golden now. You wanna know why niggas die? Nigga, I just told you. I told the bitch we need to take a break cause she a space invade. Niggas do not know the game. Why? Cause they player haters. I'm a boss jam, man. I call me Dr. Egg, man. My money stretched like jogging bands, rubber bands and headbands. Hopped up out the water, niggas trying to sink my battleship. Cause they fished and bust open like a bag of chips. NBA jam, man. Bitch, I'm ballin'. Just learned a new move. I just don't know what to call it, man. I swear I lost my man. I had to snap back to reality. I ain't sparing nobody. Finish, fatality. Bitch, start tripping, now I'm blue. Mega man. I can't win for losing cause I got too many haters, man. Used to be the paper boy. Grew up now.
Samuel, you're still in the chat, brother? All right, 3 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Let's see what the fuck happens here. What would it take for me to, I mean, take my own advice and just 30 pip this thing straight down? Don't you think 1 hour wick fill? I mean, yeah, it's a part of the same process. It could be a 30-minute wick fill, be a 1 hour wick fill, it could even be the 15-minute wick fill. Even 2 hour. The 2 hour closes in an hour, though. Not. News is coming. News is coming. Let's see what the fuck happens with this news, boys. We got red folder, USD CB consumer confidence. Don't know what that means. Don't know what it is. Don't really care. It's all about the candlesticks. Let's see what the candlesticks tell us. So don't trade DJ, but for GJ, if it was a break of the 193.7, I would go for buy because daily already a bullish for GJ. So daily 193.7. I mean, that's 80 pips away. It's the safe play, I guess. Daily was already bullish. Yeah, but that's the whole point of the fake out. Fake out is for everybody to think it was one thing. Real volatility comes into the market. Now they think it's completely the opposite. I don't know why I'm still bearish on DJ. I'm still very bearish on DJ. Sheesh. Shit froze. I pressed back too quick. Let it load. There you go. Alright, that's the news. That is the news candle right there, boys. What the fuck's about to happen? Now my question is, I don't say you are wrong either. I say that you have a perfectly valid setup, especially if it breaks 197. You are 100% correct. That it is most likely going to fucking fly. 1000%. Wasn't saying you were wrong either. Sheesh, dude. Hopefully we get a big bullish candlestick that convinces me that I want to hop in with sell right after that. Big bull candlestick. Big bull candlestick. Don't just melt out without us. Because if I hop in right now and this candlestick actually goes bullish, we're getting stopped out instantly. This is already a 30 pip stop loss what we're looking at. 40 pip stop loss. That's a 40 pip stop loss. Jesus Christ. I'm telling you, these candlesticks... Man, 4 years ago, people used to trade 20 pip stop losses on GJ left and right. Like, that used to be the mainstream thing to do on GJ. Do you guys want to know what 20 pips looks like right now? That's 20 pips right now. Is it even possible to fucking catch? I mean, obviously it's possible, but fucking A, dude. 20 pips is like that. It's not horrible, to tell you the truth. It just could be better. It's not horrible, it could be better as a stop loss. I'd like something probably like up there. Alright, go bullish on us. Give us something to go for. Give us something to go for. Damn, dude, those wicks are fucking ugly as balls. Damn, thing's flying. That's shitty motherfucking news. Shitty news. Oh my god. Holy sheesh. Bro, these charts are dangerous right now. Super dangerous. I'm so glad I didn't fucking... Man, I was really about to just start selling aggressively at this level of support. Price is really, really showing us that it wants to bounce around. Like, you are not in the clear at any point in any trade. GJ buys, I'm telling you. Bark, give it some time, though. All right, Bark. Bark, but where are you from, Bark? Are you French with that last name? I actually will never be able to pronounce that. Damn, I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Everything's just fucking... Like, what? Imagine the motherfucker that took that buy. The guy that's making a lot of money right now is the guy that understands that price right now on across the board is ranging, right? The guy that understands that price is ranging is making money. That's the guy that is selling at resistance, buying at support. Price flies, he says, hey, needs to melt. Price melts, he says, hey, needs to fly. Is that my favorite way to trade? Absolutely not. Is it consistent? Probably not at all, but... Man, that's the guy that's making money right now. It shows you that you need to be able to identify the different market structures and when different things are happening, honestly. Right now, this is bouncy house. Everything just bounces. I'm Moroccan Dutch. Live in Amsterdam. I have a lot of viewers typically from Amsterdam. That's dope. It's dope. One day when I'm out there, we got to link up. You got to take me out to the red light district. To a coffee shop I met. That's funny. For sure, gang. Hey, you been out to the red light district and all that type of stuff? Is real? I know it's real, but... Damn, I need to go to the barber. It's getting out of hand. I need to go to the gym. All of it's getting out of hand. He says, I've been there. All right, but you've been there. Have you been like in there, or you just been there? Or you been like in there? But not inside, bro. Okay. I was just wondering. I got nothing against it. I'm just asking questions as a American viewer. I mean, as an American streamer to a Dutch viewer. That is hilarious, though. I'm thinking, chat. I honestly don't know right now. I want to take the sell still, dude. Like, if this actually comes back down to this level of support, it kind of is a no-brainer for me. But I said the same thing about when we came down to this level of support. I said if it comes down here, we should be no-braining it to the downside. And honestly... This guy Lio. Something like this would be so juicy if it were to actually play out. Which obviously anybody could say that about any fucking setup. What was London Session offering the fucking GJ? Because London Session for gold was complete shit. London Session for gold was range, and I clearly see why. We ranged all of London Session and be able to grab enough liquidity to just do whatever gold's doing right now, which is sky flying high. I had a small retracement, still very high. GJ, on the other hand, for London Session, I mean, 4-hour candle 604, London Session was... It's nothing. It's basically where, it started. Asian Session started where we are right now. We've literally gone nowhere. This is a bullish pattern. Come on. We're going to wait a couple more minutes and see if we actually find something, boys. Because I don't want to force a trade that was just not, I hate having people hop into my trades and it be a forced trade. I've done it in the past. I don't do it often. I prefer to just not take a trade. But I definitely have been pressured by myself into taking a trade. Meant for people to be able to try to make money, but like, I'm telling you, I think at one point it's better off if I just fucking don't take a trade. Let's see though. Let's see. How did US 30 open? That's hilarious. Shit's about to go. Damn, Lio. You violating your probation makes me want to violate you. Wait, no, I take that back. Hold up. Waiting to sell USD JPY. Yeah, I like UJ sells more than my GJ sells. This looks like it's a sell-off. I agree that this looks like it needs to wick fill to the downside. Does GJ give... GJ's also giving that vibe, dude. GJ also is giving that vibe. Bark, you might be the reason I hop into a sell. I may love you or hate you after this stream. But Jesus, you're right about that. UJ looks... What about the DXY? DXY, please tell me that you look like you're about to melt. Nope. Well, it doesn't really look like it's about to fly. Just... This is a melt. DXY gets weaker. DXY gets weaker means GU flies. UJ melts. Leave the door open. Love you too. You do you, bro. Stick to the plan. The plan is to kind of have no plan up until there's a plan that pops out. So the moment I got no plan, I see a blueprint of a plan. Respect everybody's decision. What we betting on today? That's the fucking attitude that I fucking needed, bro. What the fuck are we betting on today? Champions League is tomorrow. It's like we should save some fucking money for tomorrow, bruh. No? Remember, boys, there is a gambling section on the Discord. Make sure when you guys are on the Discord, you go to the gambling section. Whatever you throw, whatever you start going aggressive on your DGen mode gambles, make sure you send them over. Send them over. Slick is back. Back again. Damn, dude. Honestly, if this goes, I mean, I'm not in this trade right now, but I'm telling you, like, if this goes bullish at that point, I kind of don't even know what to expect. Because to take a buy here, fuck that. Fuck that. Especially with these SMAs looking like that. Like, if it goes bullish, I can see us maybe touching this, but... Bearish, bearish, continuation, continuation. Next candlestick. All right, new 15-minute candlestick has just opened up. New 15-minute candlestick looks like it's making a bottom wick to just now wick fill back up to the top. This looks like it's going to wick fill right now, go bullish. I would not be surprised if it goes bullish. It's going bullish. He's chilling in the corner with a 6-pack of Corona. Wishing that is on the run again. Do 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 do. That come on, dude. What, Nico? You want to say hi? Come here. Come say hi. Come say hi. What it do, brother? How are you? My little doodle. I know you want to go to the park. You can't yet. You can't. No to the park. No to the park. Okay. That boy on it. I love hearing that. That boy need breasts to pull it off. Is there playing right now? Let me see what you're talking about. No, you're not talking about right now. I thought you were talking about right now. Fucking hell, mate. Dude, Lio. Come here. USDCHF sells means that UJ should sell, which means that GJ should sell, which means that DXY should melt. Is the DXY melting? It's DXY is going down finally. Is this what we've been waiting for right here? Bro, I'm an Atletico de Madrid fan for years. Since, sheesh. Since goddamn Falcao was playing on that goddamn team, bro. What's this guy's? I'm pretty pissed right now because I can't remember my favorite striker. What's this motherfucker? Atletico of all time favorite striker is, what's this guy's name, bro? Starts with a D. Diego. Dude, what the fuck is this guy's name? Oh, it's pissing me off. I can't remember. Diego. Dude. Dude, he's a tank. Like, he's a tank. What's his name? I'm so pissed. What's his name? The Brazilian dude. Diego Costa. There you go. Diego Costa. No, Di Maria. Diego Costa. Diego Costa. Dude's fucking legendary, bro. I remember one of my favorite fucking Barca versus Real Madrid moments ever. Favorite Barca versus Real Madrid moment ever is Barca versus Atletico. I mean, Barca versus Atletico moment ever was when Diego Costa scored a goal in less than like fucking 10 seconds against Real Madrid. Like literally in less than 10 seconds. Fucking maybe less than 30, but just it was the fastest person to ever score a goal in the history against Real Madrid. Dude just tanked through everybody and just he's just a tank. And he would fuck with people hard. He'd hit hard. Dude was not somebody you'd want to be covering. Damn, dude. I am so impressed that GJ is flying right now. Cap! There ain't no cap in my rap. Atletico. He played for Atletico. He scored against Real Madrid. He was the first is the person to score the fastest goal against Real Madrid. Against Real Madrid. No, it was 43 seconds. 43 seconds against Real Madrid. He scored. João Felix has been my favorite player when he was in Real Madrid. The second he joined Atletico Madrid, he was my favorite player in the world. Then he left. He was still my favorite player because he was really moving the ball a lot more with Barca. I'm not moving the ball more, but he was definitely being able to shine because Barca is a team where he could do what he does. When he did what he did in Atletico doesn't move enough to open up enough gaps for him to actually fucking, the only person he could really work with is the striker. In Barca, he could work with everybody. And then he went to Chelsea, and I don't know. Once you go to Chelsea, you're fucked. He has no work. He's talent. He's talent. Kid's talent. Probably not a lot of work ethics, but a lot of talent. Damn, dude, this trade. Bro. Like, what? This thing's going crazy. You got back in GJ Buys? Oh, he has all the talent because of it, he never feels like he has to become better. I agree, man. I think he's fucking one of the world's best fucking. What position does he even play right now? He don't even got a position, bruh. That's the problem with him. He don't really even got a position. Like, what? He's a striker. What? You gonna put him on the wings a little bit? No. You gonna put him as a striker? No. I know, but that's not like, that shit don't work. Yeah, difference is Dybala had a position. Like, I see Dybala more of a striker than Joao Felix. And I know that Joao Felix probably one could say, hey, he's more diverse than Dybala. You could put him on each side. It just doesn't work like that in soccer nowadays. The center forward position used to be essential, but now with the way tactics work and like, there's not a lot of center forwards. Like, they don't even put Messi as a center forward anymore. How you gonna put fucking Joao Felix as a center forward? Like, Barca stopped playing with Messi as a center forward. What? They want to put fucking Joao Felix? That's going to replace that? You fucking crazy? Bro, look at GJ. God damn, son. God damn. I mean, I said it earlier myself. The people making the money are the ones that are just understanding that this is all a range. We're just going to keep on bouncing. It's funny because I wanted to sell here, but no, we're just still bouncing. Oh, that's you, Barca 28? Now I know who you are. I had a feeling it was you. Now I know exactly who you are. And Dybala had even more chances of becoming huge. But one of also Dybala's problem was that the international Argentina team didn't really like him. Even though I'm pretty sure I remember at one point they put him in and he fucking popped off and he was a hero. Or am I mistaken? That was for... I don't know. I remember him in an Argentina shirt doing something at one point. And I was like, finally. Yeah, you're the VAR room. We gotta call. What's your name? Call up Barca 28. See if they're gonna fucking call back the penalty or not. All right, gold decided to. I mean, just fucking. I knew the gold run was about to start happening earlier today. After I got clapped, boys. I don't think there's anything I'm gonna be trading right now. GU to me looks like a buy. I don't know when's gonna buy. I don't know. I don't like the charts right now. And what sucks is that they're moving great. They're moving with enough volatility to be able to trade them pretty well. I'm just, yeah, it's just not for me. And it really is what it is. You got to know sometimes when it just step back from the gas. And this is one of those moments, chat. I really don't want to because I kind of hate fucking doing a stream and not being able to take a trade, but it's for the better. It's for the better. Me not put you guys into some shitty ass position, or me not embarrass myself in front of everybody. I don't know where GG is going. Do I think it's going to melt out now? Absolutely not. Could that happen? Absolutely. So it's like, I'm not going to take this sell. Definitely not going to take the buy all the way up here. Just not taking anything. Fuck that. Fuck that. Gold's gone. Boys, all 17 people here watching, I'm going to make it up to you guys because we've only been streaming for 2 hours and I told you guys we're doing a 4-hour stream. I'm going to be back at 7:30 on the dot. 7:30 on the dot. I'm back. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. It's going to be like a 2-hour stream. 2 hours. It's going to be like a 2-hour stream for Asian session. So you guys see, I don't know what time it is for you guys over there. AUD Red Folder News, I'm going to be back. We're going to try to see if we can catch a trade, set ourselves up in a nice swing position for before London session. Cut the stream off early, and then we're going to be back for London session. 7:30 p.m. Eastern. That's when I'm going to be back on. 7:30 p.m. Eastern. I could actually schedule the stream right now. I'm actually going to schedule the stream right when I end this one, so you guys actually have the time there for you. Lyle, you feeding bands or what, boy? You fiending bands or what? I need like 10 before February ends. Right now, February has not started, but I definitely need 10. Much love to you, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching the stream. I apologize. We did not get to hop into anything right now. Boys, if you guys have not liked the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream. If you guys want to subscribe, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out whenever we turn on the stream. Boys, Yesterday we won 2 trades in a row. Today basically didn't call out anything on live stream. Yesterday I was thinking we were gonna do what we did yesterday. Yesterday we got on stream and we're like, yo bro, this is fucking buying, this is selling, let's just take them both. Fuck that. I usually only take one position. Took 2. Well, we took them at different times. Point is, I only take one position, but I wanted to take 2. I'm gonna start taking 2 a stream. I think 2 a stream is a perfect number. All right, boys. Much love to you guys. Slick, love you. Lio, love you. Barca, see you. Talk to you soon. Make sure you're talking on the chat so we can see what we're betting on. Pam Marine, I have not talked to you before, but brother, thank you for watching. Ogundele. Pam Marine, I can't say this guy's name. Bark, thank you for watching. Bilal, hopefully see you soon. Also, a lot of new names that I usually don't see people talk. Azar, boys. Hopefully, I see you guys next session. Next session, literally Asian session. Let's see if we can catch something. There's news, so it should be, you know, decently volatile. Much love to you, boys. See you guys there. Peace. I'm gonna go hit the gym because I got